Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to enable Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows 11. To open this feature, go to Run and enter the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this in the description also, then click OK. This command will open Programs and Features window. On the left pane, you can find Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Now, Windows Features dialog will open. Here, you can find a lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Microsoft Print to PDF. Click on the checkbox next to it and then click OK. The system will now search for the required files. The system will then apply all the necessary changes. That is it, Windows has completed the changes. A restart now is highly recommended. However, as I am making the video, I am clicking on don't restart. And that is it. Microsoft Print to PDF is now enabled on your Windows 11.